Hey everybody, thank you very much for joining today's lesson. I'm going to do a little Bob Dylan. It's one of my absolute favorite songs, Positively 4th Street. And I'm going to go over playing it 2 different ways. Because there's 1,000 different ways to play Bob Dylan songs because he plays them in different keys all the time, depending on how he's singing and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go over 2 ways of playing the song. One's going to be all bar chords like I just played, and the other will be open chords. So this first version, I believe we're in the key of, I think, A flat minor or B, something like that. And then I'll have a song in the key of G. So as always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and let's hop in. All right, so the first one I'm playing, Positively 4th Street, going all bar chords here. So starting with the F sharp. So just barring the 2nd fret, got middle finger on 3rd fret of the G, pinky on 4th of the D, and ring on 4th of the A. So you've got your F sharp. Then your A flat minor. So barring 4th fret, we've got ring finger on the 6th of the A, and pinky on the 6th of the D. And we're going to B. B, just barring the 7th fret here. Middle finger is on the 8th of the G. Pinky is on the 9th of the D, and ring is on the 9th of the A. Okay. Back to F sharp. Really, really awesome chord progression, and that goes throughout the entire rest of the song. So after the first part, we've got this F sharp again to a C sharp. So and that C sharp, just barring 4th fret and the 6th fret. And your C sharp to B. And we've got an E flat minor, which is really pretty in this song. So that's barring the 6th fret here, and we've got our middle finger on the 7th of the B, pinky finger on the 8th of the G, and ring on the 8th of the D. That should be that's your E flat minor, and you finish here on the C sharp, and that's it. The entire song is just. Alright, that is the way you play it bar chord style. Now, if you don't like playing bar chords, or if you want to play it in a different key, you can play it in the key of G, and it would sound like this. So obviously this way is a lot easier if you're not used to playing bar chords. Doesn't hurt nearly as much either. So the chords here, we've got a G to an A minor to a C to a G. And we stay on that G, D, C, E minor. And you can throw that sus in there if you want to. that is 2 ways of playing an awesome, awesome Bob Dylan song, Positively 4th Street. Thank you all very much for watching. Please leave any feedback, comments below, and we'll see you again soon.